Tired of lumpy smoothies and struggling with weak blenders? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best smoothie blenders on Amazon that can completely upgrade your blending game. From power to ease of use, I'll break down what makes each blender a must-have. And yes, I'll give you the honest pros and cons. Let's blend right in. Number 1. Overall best pick. Ninja Professional Food Processing Blender. The Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Blender is a powerhouse for anyone serious about smoothies and quick meal prep. With its 1,100-watt motor and 3 versatile functions, it effortlessly crushes ice, frozen fruits, and makes creamy smoothies in seconds. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for family-sized servings, while the two 16-ounces to-go cups make it convenient for busy mornings. Cleanup is simple, and the spout lids prevent spills. One drawback is that it's a bit loud during heavy blending, which can be surprising if you're sensitive to noise. Overall, it's a durable, efficient, and versatile blender that's well worth the investment for daily use. Number 2. My second best pick, Oster Pro 1200 Smoothie Blender. The Oster Pro 1200 Smoothie Blender is a solid choice for anyone looking for power and versatility in the kitchen. With 1,200 watts of power and 7 speed settings, it handles everything from frozen fruits to hot soups with ease. The glass jar feels sturdy and doesn't retain odors, while the 24 ounces to-go cup is perfect for morning smoothies on the run. Its sleek, brushed nickel design looks great on any countertop. One downside is that the blender can be a bit bulky for smaller kitchens, and it's slightly noisy at high speeds. Overall, it's a reliable and efficient blender for everyday use. Number 3. My third best pick, Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet Blender 11-piece set is perfect for quick and easy blending tasks. Its compact size makes it ideal for small kitchens or dorm rooms, and the silver finish looks sleek on any countertop. It's great for single servings of smoothies, sauces, and even grinding nuts or coffee. The 11-piece set includes multiple cups and lids, making it versatile and convenient for on-the-go use. One drawback is that its smaller motor isn't designed for heavy-duty tasks, so crushing large amounts of ice or hard frozen fruits can be a challenge. Overall, it's an affordable, practical, and user-friendly blender for everyday small batch needs. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender is a reliable and budget-friendly option for everyday blending. Its 700-watt motor handles smoothies, purees, and even ice crushing fairly well, while the 40-ounce glass jar is sturdy and easy to clean. The 12 preset functions make it simple to achieve the right texture without guessing. It's quiet compared to other blenders in this range, which is a nice bonus. One downside is that it struggles a bit with very hard or frozen ingredients in large quantities, so you may need to blend in smaller batches. Overall, it's a versatile, practical, and easy-to-use blender for daily kitchen tasks. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Hamilton Beach Blender and Food Processor. The Hamilton Beach Blender and Food Processor combo is a versatile addition to any kitchen. With 700 watts of peak power, it handles smoothies, shakes, and light food processing tasks with ease. The 40-ounce glass jar is durable and easy to clean, while the 3-cup electric food chopper attachment adds extra convenience for chopping veggies, nuts, or herbs. The included travel cup is perfect for on-the-go smoothies. One downside is that the blender struggles a bit with very hard or frozen ingredients, so larger chunks may need extra blending. Overall, it's a practical, multifunctional, and budget-friendly option for daily blending and food prep needs. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite smoothie blenders? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.